നമുക്ക് കുറച്ചും കൂടി പ്രോബ്ലംസ് ചെയ്യാം. യൂണിറ്റ് 3 A hydrogen atom is situated between two metal plates 1 millimeter apart, which are connected to opposite terminals of a 500 volt battery. Calculate the ratio of the separation between the centers of the charges due to the applied field and the radius of the atom. Estimate the voltage needed with this apparatus to ionize the atom. Given Bohr radius of the hydrogen atom as 0.5 angstrom. Given voltage V is equal to 500 volt. Opposite terminals are connected with the 500 volt battery. Therefore, V is equal to 500 volt, and the separation between the metal plates is 1 mm. It is equal to 1 into 10 raised to minus 3 millimeter. Millimeter is converted into meter. We have electric field E is equal to voltage divided by distance V by T. Therefore 500 divided by 1 into 10 raised to minus 3 will give 5 into 10 raised to 5 volt per meter. Then we are assuming the electron cloud is uniformly distributed around the proton. Taking the case of a uniform simple atom, then E dash is equal to E, where E is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 QD by A cube. We have already derived the equation. That is E, this value 5 into 10 raised to 5 is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 Q, charge of an electron. Hydrogen atom consists of only single atom, therefore 1.6 into single electron, that is 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 into D divided by A. Given radius of hydrogen atom is 0.5 angstrom, it is equal to 0.5 into 10 raised to minus 10 meter. 0.5 into 10 raised to minus 10 whole cube. And it is given that calculate the ratio of the separation between the centers of the charges due to the applied field and the radius of the atom. Estimate the voltage needed with this apparatus to ionize. To ionize, from this equation D is equal to 4.34 into 10 raised to minus 17 meter. D by A is equal to D by A is equal to 4.34 into 10 raised to minus 17 divided by A 0.5 into 10 raised to minus 10. It is equal to 8.68 into 10 raised to minus 7. And in order to ionize, D should be at least equal to A. Put D is equal to A in this equation. D is equal to A. Therefore 5 into 10 raised to 5 is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0. We have to calculate the electric field here. E is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 Q D by A cube. D is equal to A. We have substituted D is equal to A. It is equal to, by calculating we will get 5.76 into 10 raised to 11 volt per meter. Then the voltage V is equal to E into T, again E into T. T is equal to 1 into 10 raised to minus 3 meter. 5.76 into 10 raised to 11 into 10 raised to minus 3 will give 5.76 into 10 raised to 8 volt. This much of voltage is required to ionize the hydrogen atom. Then next problem, a point charge Q is situated at a large distance r from a neutral atom of polarizability alpha. Find the force of attraction between them. A point charge Q is situated at a large distance r from a neutral atom. Suppose this is the neutral atom. A is the neutral atom and point charge is placed at a distance r. Then field at A due to the charge Q is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 Q by R square into I. This is the general equation. This distance is R. Therefore, the dipole moment induced at the atom. Dipole moment, we have a dipole moment P is equal to alpha into E, where alpha is the polarizability. It is given. It is equal to alpha into 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 Q by R square. Field on the axial line due to the induced dipole, we have already learned, is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 2p by r cube into I. For p, we are substituting this value, alpha cube by 4 pi epsilon 0 into 1 by r square is substituted here. And the force, we have to calculate the force of attraction between them. Force equal to field into charge. Field, we are substituting 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 2 by r cube into P alpha cube by 4 pi epsilon 0 into 1 by r square into charge Q, that much into I. 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 2 into alpha cube by 4 pi epsilon 0 1 by r square. This is for P. Already 1 by r cube is there, 1 by r cube into charge Q into I. We will get 2 alpha Q by 4 pi epsilon 0 all square 1 by r raised to 5 I. This is the force of attraction between a point charge and a neutral atom of polarizability alpha.